Baya High Blood.
Wait,
Nasaan po
sir.
kayo?
Ayun, sige, sige. I-gather nyo muna sila dito.
Team Baya High Blood, please proceed to the court. And Team Padilla Pulmonia, please proceed to the court.
All players, please proceed to the center of the court. Now, hello, voice down. Pictorials of world champions, under 24 and junior senior.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our YB President for the opening remarks.
Hello, good evening. Champion teams. Baya, 24 under. Saan ko nyo? Padilla. Ang tayo mo, asong palay kintayo, 7th season tournament YB. Bago tayo magsong palagsatan, initiative yung YB, tayo mo, kulang si Mamayar tayo. Ang gapoy na i-prepare nyo si kayo. Sa akala namin certificate para si kayo. Siguro, okay naman siguro, tanap mo si Kintayo. Magsasalamat kami, repugator din kasi. Papasalamat kami si kayo, asabi tayo naman ina, so 7th season. So, aliwan si Kim Matlabay na members ko, gabay kong pasalamatan. Pati aray, pamilya yun, alalang yung dyan ng babantayin si Katayo. Agiri family.
Shout out po, shout out.
Salamat ako ng babantayin si kami. Kalay. Ay, ini-interview si kayo, pampasensya nyo lahat. Si Katulabak, so na kaya na yung YB. Siguro, nung makalulog sa YB, nangyari, so, tawagan na kayo sa sakay ha.
Young Bowlers Association Lingayen. Championship certificate is proudly present to the following members in recognition of the outstanding performance and dedication in winning the YB Season 6 Basketball Tournament Championship 24 and under division with the team Health is Wealth Awareness held on June 4, 2024. Your exceptional skills, teamwork, and sportsmanship have made a significant contribution to the success of your team, Baya High Blood and Padilla Pulmonia. Congratulations on your well-deserved victory given this day, June 11, 2024. Signed, Attorney Clinton C. Karamat, Vice President, YB Lingayen. Christopher B. De Leon, YB President. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to 24 and under division champion. This award goes to AJ Angeles, Rodan Season, Kian Evangelista, Ramon Van Del Rosario,
Adrian James Aquino.
Naasong pala. Sobrang sa kayo. Hindi, pawil ka lang ma'am. Pawil din lang camera. Next.
Antonio Angeles,
Bakit, di mo kami muna eh.
Adrian James Aquino,
Jesse Boy Angeles.
Abulo lang. Aliwa lang. Sa akin, gumon. Sige.
Jesse Boy Angeles, Lawrence Evangelista. Diyan ba siya? For Daniel De La Cruz, Albert Ian Nava, Stewart Bob Castillo,
Next.
Oh, officers. Oh, picture. Amin kayo.
Officers la, officers la. Atras kay Dyson, agalang-ala namin. At agalang-ala namin. Hindi, may arami officers la sulod sab. Alam may officers sulod sab. Agalang-ala namin eh. Kasi dira ka jede set tani. Lo aputot ka ditan lo, aputot ka. Aputot ka. Yerek picture mo kami. Okay, one. Hindi, straight ka lang lo, paano balik? Tanta lang. 1 2. Okay ni. Oh, next. 24 another. 24 another.
Friends and families of the players, pwede tayong mag-picture dito. Punta kayo lahat.
Siligi. So, cellphone ko.
Ay, shoutout po sa mga pamilya,
May cellphone mo.
mahal sa buhay, kaibigan, inspirasyon, girlfriend, jowa. Lahat po ng sumusuporta sa Team Baya High Blood.
Sinigi ay lang ting aganapin po. Kuya ito ni video yan. Tala cellphone mo. Waki na ba, Waki? 1, 2, 3.
Once again, congratulations to Team Baya High Blood. Championship certificate is proudly presented to the following members in recognition of the outstanding performance and dedication for winning YB Season 6 Basketball Tournament Championship, Junior and Senior Division with the team Health is Wealth Awareness held on June 6, 2024. Your exceptional skills, teamwork, and sportsmanship have made a significant contribution to the success of Team Padilla Pulmonia. Hep hep! Congratulations on your well-deserved victory. Given this day, June 11, 2024, signed Attorney Clinton C. Karamat, YB Vice President, and signed Christopher B. De Leon,
Dili kayo na
YB
itako niya
President.
kaya eh. Sinang pa rin.
Gian Clifford Baltasar. Samuel Tito
Dito,
Manuel.
dito.
Richard Dison. Rodel Jimenez.
Line up na lang kayo dyan, line up. Dyan na.
Rodel Luna. Dean Tabisora. Michael Tayag. Benji Lopez. Christian Luna. Glenn Mark Aguirre. Mac Tayag. Ricardo Cruz. Tipos lang siya. Post box.
Kapla.
YB officers.
Atras ng konti. Madilim kasi,
Get ready.
madilim. Compress. Reset. Sa 1, 2, 3. Nasaan eh? 1, 2, 3. Officers, with officers. Committee. Gian, isip pa ng konti, hindi ka nakukuha.
Yeah. So, 1, 2, 3. Mansan eh. 1, 2. Thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. Pamilya.
May we request the families and friends, loved ones ng Team Padilla Pulmonia po. Shout out sa Aguirre family, sino po bilang? Luna family. Ano pa ba? Cruz family, Tayag family. Quezon family. Manuel family. Once again, congratulations to Team Padilla Pulmonia. Ladies and gentlemen, Most Valuable Player Award. This certificate is presented to Mac Tayang for being the most valuable player of YB Season 6
Doon sa gitna, sir.
Basketball Tournament Junior and Senior Division. Sa gitna po. Congratulations to Mac Tayang, the most valuable player.
Banda doon, medyo against the light tayo. Sa gitna ka para hindi against the light.
Players for one point sa awarding.
Iba nyo ba? Iba nyo. Kumite, GK.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Mansan eh. 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up. 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, Mac Tayang. Best Player of the Conference Award goes to Busierbet. Best Player of the Conference Award is Stewart Bob Castillo. And Most Valuable Player Award, 24 Under Division, Stewart Bob Castillo.
Wala liman na yun. Hindi, pinalitan niya. Gilak.
Baka naman, may pakihod din.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Grabe mo!
1. Thumbs up. 1, 2, 3.
Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, one more award. Best Player of the Conference Award goes to Coach Ricardo Job Cruz for being the most valuable player in YB Season 6 Basketball Tournament Junior and Senior Division.
Sa gitna po.
Sa gitna po tayo, sa gitna po.
Atras pa. Atras ng konti.
Hindi. Tira ka kuya. Yeah, 1, 2. Saan eh? 1, 2. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. 1, 2, 3. Gila.
Congratulations, Coach Jack.
Let's continue the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi na nakapag-picture ng ayos. Ako na. Okay na. Oh, sige. Salamat ah. Biglaan yung ano, awarding, biglaan.
Biglaan awarding.
Kaya ano, wala ding sounds. Walang sounds kanina, biglaan din lahat eh.